How to enable dark mode on TikTok. Dark mode has not been available on the TikTok app until now. However, with the new update, this has changed. Let me show you how to set up dark mode on TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Access your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then press the three lines in the top right corner. In the window, open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Find and open the Display section. Here, select the dark option. And this is how your screen will look with dark mode. Interesting, right? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more tutorials, follow the channel.